HeavyBid, it makes my job easier day to day, mainly because of the data entry. I think the biggest one is the quick sub and material entry. I'm able to go through and select the different bid items. A lot of our work is unit price, and so the agencies give us different bid items, and we're able to pick those different bid items that the subs will be in and quickly input them and the price, and then those will go into an immediate quote sheet, and we don't really have to mess with those items very much, and it cuts down probably about 50% of the data entry time that we have to put in.
I've been using it for probably 13 years now, and it's a necessary tool for us to bid our jobs efficiently and effectively.
A lot of times the owners and municipalities that create the bid forms in our industry, they like to lump sum a lot of their projects, so HeavyBid gives us the capability to detail it out and produce as many child items that we need to facilitate all the different divisions that are in our work. So we'll have multiple children in the process and break it down. The tree is very extensive in what we do, and it helps us to roll up that cost into the lump sum items that the owners limit you to. So I think that's really helped us out in being able to make the changes that we needed to do our work, to be able to understand our activity codes that would correspond to our divisions. It's a one-to-one correspondence that the guys, the estimators, are used to seeing and that they can understand, so they make sure that their cost is correct.
Basically, the way we have our system set up, we have copy/library estimates, which help us populate the estimate pretty quick.
It does really help us stay tremendously consistent. We do a lot of negotiated work that's multi-phase, a lot of similar elements. We're able to set the job up once and use some copy commands and other commands within the program. So when we have changes or different versions of plan sets, it's relatively any one of the estimators can step in and know exactly what the other one was talking about or working through, with all the, different availability of note functions and all that other stuff within the estimate system.
The best feature about HeavyBid is, honestly, I think the quote system. It's so easy to analyze the different subs and be able to capture all their escalation, all their additives, and all the mobilizations and all the different terms and conditions that the subs and suppliers put into their quotes. And we're able to capture those in the quote system and truly analyze apples to apples who is going to be the most cost-effective option for us.
I like the functionality of it, like self-perform analysis. Sub-vendor comparisons. I know some people still use Excel or do self-perform analysis on the side. We don't. We analyze our quotes in the quote system. We do self-perform analysis, a nice quick toggle. Just flip the switch and it switches self-perform or sub.
So it feels great when you see all these projects and you realize, okay, well now it's no longer an issue of whether we have the time and the resources to set this up, but now we can actually pick the best job based on our competitive advantage. It's the right way to do the work.